let's just go for example, lifetime. So these are my all lifetime analytics, how much money I have made from YouTube ever since. Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, you are absolutely gonna know how much money does this channel make me. Okay, we're gonna get into my YouTube analytics. We're gonna go my channel dashboard. Absolutely everything about how much money I make with this 5,640 subscribers of mine. And yeah, like we're gonna get straight into it. First of all, before we start the video, I'm gonna ask you guys for a simple favor to just like the video, and that's gonna be about it. Maybe you haven't heard of me, it's absolutely fine. So we're gonna start off like right now. Like we're gonna get straight into it. First of all, these are my channel. So this is my channel. This is just the content. I'm not gonna go my channel dashboard. I mean, I can absolutely go there, but I'm uploading a lot of videos like this. This is what I basically do. I'm just charting up the charts. All like the type of videos that I'm doing are basically about like analyzing stocks and all that. Now, obviously, we're gonna get into the RPMs and all that, but why? Like you can see, my videos are around 1 minute long. Yeah, for example, like here we had a video 2 minutes long. So that may be a factor for maybe like a little small RPM. Like we can easily even go on Social Blade to find, because other people's RPMs are just insane. We can also go even like what does RPM mean? Basically, how much you get paid for a 1K or per mile, 1K views. So let's get straight into it. My YouTube analytics, here they are. So this is the last 28 days. You can see this is not that big amount of money that you can basically live off of. Okay, not at all. You can see I have 6K in the last 48 hours. You can clearly see how they have been ranging. As you see, the lowest point this month was this last 28 days was $3.45. Obviously, this is a great pocket money. Now, let's just go like right here. Let me just go views. This is the estimated views on overview. First of all, let's just go to revenue straight up because I'm not going to be taking it any longer. You can see it right here. Okay, you can see it right here. The RPM that I have, or as you can see, like we can click on RPM, it basically tells you. RPM means revenue per month. Okay, and tells you how much you earn per 1,000 views. To calculate your RPM, your estimated revenue is divided by your total views in the same time period. So your estimated revenue includes revenue from ads, YouTube Premium membership, Super Chat, so super stickers. This is the actual revenue that you earn after YouTube's revenue share. So YouTube has already got its share. As you can see, this is what YouTube got. This is what I got per 1K. Now, if I go to my lifetime, because this is pretty crucial, like you can see that right now. My RPM, like for example, here in July was huge. It was 998. Like this is the highest RPM that I have ever got. Now, why is that? Because I used to upload like a little longer videos. Now, because my videos are like only 1 minute long, my RPM is around 4, which is again not that wow. Because some people who are making the content like this, about stocks, about crypto, about all that, I'm pretty sure they get a lot more. The RPM, their RPM is a lot higher. Mine is just sitting around at. We're gonna get into analytics, and we're gonna get a pretty crucial point out there. So keep watching. I just want to tell it because some people are gonna just like that's it. They found out that's it. Like and they're gonna go watch the video. This is a pretty crucial point that if you want to make more money, with what I'm gonna be discussing. So yeah, like you can see, like these are the stocks. Well, only 1 minute long. Now, I was in revenue, right? Here we were. Let's just go for example, my lifetime. So these are my all lifetime analytics, how much money I have made from YouTube ever since when? Ever since 11th of May. Like this, I was not even monetized that day. So 12th of May, this is the first amount of money that I have made on this YouTube channel, $9.95. And then ever since then, as you can see, started to range. Just like that. The highest day it was right here in November, I believe. Yeah, 8th of November, $45. Pretty beautiful. And then as you can see, we had a pretty like big decline right here. As you can see, we have started to make some 1-digit, 2-digit numbers, and so on and so on. And we can see a slight little rally to the upside. So that said, what's the most crucial point? As I said before, your videos are gonna need to be longer. I mean, above 8 minutes long, and even videos that are above 3 minutes, I believe, are getting more views. Uh, but are getting more money, so RPM is bigger. So the crucial, like, the question is, are you gonna be starting your YouTube channel? Because maybe some people are just like out of curiosity, like watching these YouTube videos. But a question for you that you're watching this video right now: do you think that it's absolutely do you think that's okay? I mean, do you believe that the RPM is cool? Do you believe for the amount of work, it's absolutely fine? I mean, for 1 million views, of course, like 1 million views, like I was monetized from here. You know what? Let me just go in custom and just actually see from when I was monetized. It was 12th of May. Um, Stay, give me a second. Yeah, from here, just like that. So as you can see, for 1.2 million views, I have paid. I've got paid around 5,874. I mean, again, I'm not gonna be being like, okay, my RPM is not, it's low, okay, and it's so bad. Because some people, like for example, in Europe, like Serbia, Croatia, I don't believe that, but for 1 million views, they're getting paid around $100 $200. So the RPM there is super small for entertainment, obviously for entertainment. The content creators that are making like content creations for entertainment purposes. Now, this is again kind of on the market side, so people are the advertisers are willing to pay more money to get their ads on my videos to pop up. And now, what was the crucial point? Before we get into it, again, I believe this is a great moment to like the video, okay? To absolutely like the video, and how can you get your RPM higher? Simple, okay, thing. Now, if I get into revenue, uh, and I go into RPM, as you can see, I have like tried it yesterday. It never, like, as you can see, the RPM here was 363, and when I tried it, it went up to 426, which is a pretty crucial like difference. Yeah, it's a pretty great difference to have. But what can you do? You just you can go on YouTube and search, like for example, the high term, the words that the advertisers are willing to pay more money into. So what I want you to do, for example, like let me go to these videos right here. Now I don't know the data from them, but actually the RPM has gone up. So what should you actually do is, this is only 41 views, but obviously I'm just uploading videos every single day, around 15 videos, so yeah, you're gonna have that. This is a pretty slick way, so I want you to kind of put words in your title and description. They're getting like, their advertisers are willing to pay more money for. For example, make money stocks. For example, a lot of people are good, like the advertisers are gonna make money niches, like for people who are make money, um, who have make money in their like titles are willing to pay more money. Technically, from what I have seen, from my own due diligence and all this stuff. Now, I do genuinely believe that you can try to, like, again, you may not. For example, you do a vlog and just make money. Like it will not make sense, right? Well, yeah. So maybe some people, like I know in some countries, $220 is going to be absolutely okay. I mean, this could be like beautiful money that you can live off. But again, this is just this source of ad revenue. I don't have, not like, if I go on my channel, you can see I'm not selling a course. Some people are going to say make money from that, not selling a course. You have all my courses for absolutely free, like if you're a trader or all that. Again, a little self-promotion on my Skillshare classes and TradingView, the platform that I use in every single one of my videos. So that's definitely about it about the video. Again, I genuinely am gonna ask for that like, because yeah, that's basically about it. Like or dislike, I mean, it's obviously up to you guys. Comment down below if you're surprised about these analytics. I believe you maybe have been expecting that, but that's it. Have a wonderful day, everybody.